Welcome to another episode of Evernote Advanced Features. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in this week's episode, we're going to be talking all about sharing notes within Evernote. Coming up next. So here we are within Evernote for Mac. And in this week's episode, I want to show y'all how you can share your notes that you have inside of Evernote. Now, you might ask, why do you want to share notes, or why would you want to share notes? Well, you see, there might be times when you need to either collaborate with someone, or maybe you just need to give one of your saved PDF files to someone and you just want to kind of share it with them for whatever reason. It could be, maybe you need to share it with your school administrator. Maybe you need to share it with your coworker or what have you. You can share your individual notes within Evernote. You can also share notebooks, which if you watch any of my other episodes, I did go over that as well. Now, as you see here in this episode, we're going to be talking about sharing individual notes, and I have Evernote opened up here for the Mac. Now, there's several different ways that you can share notes within Evernote. If you click on a note, and for instance, we're going to be sharing this note right here. Maybe I want to share this certificate with someone, maybe a potential employer, maybe somebody that I've applied for a job with wants to see my certificate that I have listed on my resume, so I can go ahead and share that with that individual if I have their email address or what have you. So what I can do here is, once I click on that note here, and I can go up here to this right hand corner up here at the top and click on the share button. When I click on the share button here, it's going to bring up this dialog box, and it says, hey, Convergence Certificate of Excellence. This is the certificate that I want to share with someone. So what I can do here is I can put in their name or email address. Now, if I've already shared with them before or what have you, I can just put in their name and it'll go ahead and pull that up. But if I don't, I can just put in their email address, and then I can, over here, I can say what I am inviting them to do. Maybe all I want them to do is just view it. If I'm sharing it with, say, a colleague or a coworker, and I want them to be able to edit it as well, maybe we're working on a project together, then I'll want to go ahead and click on Can Edit, and also can invite or just can edit. So let's say, for instance, I want to share this with the coworker. I want them to be able to edit it, but I'm the lead on the project and I don't necessarily want them to invite other people to edit it. Maybe because I feel like, well, maybe I'm giving this to a subordinate or a line level person who is editing it, and I don't want them to give it to someone else that I don't trust to work on the project. So I might just give them the can edit feature. Or maybe if I give it to another manager or such that I trust with the document, and I don't mind if they invite others to work on it because I know that they are thinking of the company and not just of themselves, then I can go ahead and click on the can edit and invite. And so therefore when they can edit it, they can also invite others to the project as well. Now, once I put in their email address, I can also add a message here. I can say, here is the file that we were talking about, and so forth and so forth. I can just type whatever message I want in there. Okay. Once I have done that, I can click on the share. Now, as you see here, the share is grayed out because I have not entered in an email address. So for demonstration purposes, I'll go ahead and enter in an email address. I'll just enter in one of my email addresses. And you see, as soon as I start typing it in, it popped up right down here. I can, well, actually, I won't send it to that one. Let's send it to another one. Let's see. Yeah, I'll send it to Gmail. So I can go ahead and put that in there, put that there, and then what I do here is now I can click on the share, and it's going to share it with the individual. Now, if you see here, there's a shareable link here. If I put this as shareable link off, then it's not going to be shareable. But if I want shareable link on, this link right here is going to be can be shared as well. Right here, you can copy the URL. You can send it in a mail. You can send it to Facebook or what have you if you want that shareable link on. And down here, you can, on the more sharing option, you can email a copy internal link, post shareable link to LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, or stop sharing with everyone. So maybe I have shared this and I want to stop sharing it, then I can do so by clicking on stop sharing with everyone. So once I click on share, it goes ahead and shares that with me. So now if I was to go into, say, my email here and click on this, you see that I have a notification that this guy named Jerry, which is me, anyway, he has now shared this note with me, and I can view the note in Evernote, and it usually takes you to the web version of Evernote. Okay, so that is how you share a note within Evernote. Now, also, if I go back and I click on this share here, as you see, I've shared this with two people. I've shared this with, well, of course, myself. And then also I have this person here, Jerry Cover Photography, that I have shared it with as well. Now, if I wanted to stop sharing, all I have to do is click on the more sharing and hit stop sharing with everyone. It is now off. I can go ahead and click close. And now that note is no longer shared with anybody. Now, there's another way you can also share within Evernote. You can also go up here to Note, Share Note, and it brings you up the same dialog box. And also, if you click Note here and copy shareable link, it will copy that link. And then you could always go to your mail and click on New Mail and then just paste the shareable link within your mail program. So that is another way that you can share your notes within Evernote. So if you have any questions concerning this episode, please list those down below in the comments section. Also, if you like this episode, please don't be afraid to click on that like button. And if you want to see more episodes like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. And so without further ado, I want to wish you all an awesome day, and let's become more productive. Thank you.